श्री अकाल। 4 दिन अपनी नौबत चले बजाए. When we are on earth, when we have this incarnation, here it's written 4 days. When the Bani says 4 days, what it is referring to is, that you are on earth for some time, and while you are here, what you want, how you want it to be, you can control and command things only over a few days, right? Whether that control and command is to grow in supremacy, power, influence, take advantage of another, or whatever be the case. But you do that only for some time. इतना खटिए घटिए मटिए संग ना कछु ले जाए. How much ever you work hard, you toil, you work so hard, you work night and day, and you earn your wealth, you earn your power, you earn your supremacy, you hide it, you take care of it, you build it, you bury it, you um, fight for it and keep it safe wherever you want. But the point is, once you die, sang na kachu le jaye. You are not able to take any of that with you. So you feel that you have worked so hard, you've earned so much of power and so much of wealth and influence and all of that, but none of that goes back with you. You are here only for some time, my friend, and you feel that the duration that you are in, that life will actually go the way you want it to go completely. Rahao देहरी बैठी मेहरी रोवे दुआरे लो संग माई. Dehari Betty, sitting at the threshold of your house, your wife is crying because at this point you have been taken, you have passed over. So when it is time for you to die, all the wealth that you have amassed, all the hard work that you have done, all the people that you have taken advantage of, and done whatever you have done to amass whatever you have done, what is the point? Because sitting on the threshold, your wife is crying, and Mehri rove duare lo sang mai. She can't even come to you and walk with you outside the threshold of your door, right? The people who go with you are others, not the wife that you wanted, who to whom you wanted to please, and for whom maybe you have amassed all this wealth for. At the end of the day, she cannot even accompany you past the threshold of the house. मरहट लग सब लोग कुटुंब मिल हंस अकेला जाए. Who goes to the crematorium at the end? It's the entire family. It's the people in the town. It's the friends and extended family who really takes you to the crematorium. But in the end, who leaves the earth? Who leaves the body? It is you alone. It is your soul and your soul alone that passes over to the other world. Nobody else goes with you. Ve sut, those children, ve bit, that wealth, ve pur, patan bahur na dekhe ai. All those people around you, they cannot see you for longer than that, right? कहत कबीर राम की ना सिमरो जन्म अकारथ जाए. If you come to this world and only get caught up in pleasing and amassing the wealth and pleasing your wife rather than doing good for the world, you will be alone when you depart, and you would have left nothing behind, nothing at all, right? if you need to change that, all you have to do, and if you have to leave a legacy behind, कहत कबीर राम की ना सिमरो जन्म अकारक जाए. If you don't meditate on the Lord's name, then your life, your incarnation becomes futile once again. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.